Hello everyone, it's Mr. Wonderful, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make windows by any color you want. So let's start. First you have to click the start bar, then click settings, which is on top of the power button. Then as you go to settings, you can find many options. You can find personalization. As you click personalization, there's many options here too, called background, colors, lock screen, themes, fonts, start and taskbar. Click colors. So when you click colors, there's many colors that you can pick. So there's an option here, choose your color. If you pick light, your whole background will be white. If you pick dark, your whole background will be dark. So if you want to change your accent color, if you pick green, your taskbar all becomes green. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So see you in my next video.